everybody, welcome back to the garage. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead, click on subscribe, and also click on the bell to receive all the updates and activities on my channel. So today I have a product review of that applies to the Chevy Cruze. So last time I did an update on it, I think it was back in September or October, and I commented that the Goodyear, the original OEM tires, had about 88,000 miles on it, close to 90, and I was gonna get ready to replace them. So I did a lot of research on it and everything else, like most people typically do. And what I ended up buying is I bought the Continental True Contact with the ECO Plus technology on them. And for the Eco owners, you know what I'm gonna talk about. The Goodyear fuel assurance tires that are on there, they're great for fuel mileage, but the ride is very harsh, and they're not the most comfortable nor quiet tire that you can put on this car. And after about 90,000 miles, I was ready to move on to something else. So I knew when I moved to the Continentals, I was going to take a little bit of a mileage hit, and I think right now it's kind of hard to gauge because I put them on right during the changeover to the winter fuel, and as you know, when they do that, you get less miles per gallon with the winter blends versus everything else. So it's really kind of hard to gauge as what I've lost as far as a overall fuel mileage drop. But right now, I'm gonna say I probably took a 2 to 3 mile per gallon hit on it. But in retrospect, the trade-off was worth it because these tires ride great. They are so quiet compared to the Goodyears. The handling is a lot better. They don't feel as hard when you go around a corner. The car just feels a lot more planted. In the winter, up in the Northeast, with original Goodyears, we always had an issue with how they responded in the snow and the ice. With those Continentals, night and day difference, no problems at all going through the same type of conditions. With that being said, if you guys are looking for a reasonable tire, I picked these up at Tire Rack. At the time, they were like $120 a piece. And at the time, there was some type of promotional rebate, and I think it was $20 off per tire. So at the end of the day, it was like 80 bucks savings on the total package. And luckily for me, I have a Tire Rack distribution center, which is about 20 miles from my house. So I was able to go right there, pick them up, and avoid any shipping charges. And then I just brought them to one of their preferred vendors to get them installed. And it was pretty painless. So right now, I would give these things a huge thumbs up. I like them a lot. Really transformed the car. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and leave them in the comments box. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.